Happy morning, children. We have to discuss the concept of mod. So I felt like first we will discuss the concept given in 9th standard, which you have already studied. What is a mod? It is the score which is repeated maximum number of times in the given data. It is known as the mod of the data. So to find the mod for this is ungrouped. So last year you did. So when you are doing it in ungrouped, it's a 1 mark question. What you will be doing it? First write the given scores in ascending order. So when you are writing it in ascending order, you will quickly get to know which score is repeated maximum number of times. The observation repeated maximum number of times here. See, 35 is only once, 40 is once, 55, 55, 55 is how many times? 3 times it is. 67 is also once, 75 is twice, 90 is once, 95 also once. So the observation repeated maximum number of times is 55. Therefore, mod for the given data is 55. That's simple it is. And the next example, if you see the ages of workers is given here 19, 21, 25, 27, 13. And workers. 5 workers age is 19, 15, 15 workers, 21 is the age. 13 workers, 25. And 15 workers, 27 is the age. 7 workers, 30. So, you have to find the mod. Mod means what? The score which is repeated maximum number of times. So, maximum number of times means actually it is the highest frequency. So, here what is going to be the highest frequency? 15. And here also 15 is there. So, twice it is there. So, the mod is going to be 21 also and 27 also. There is a correction. Here it is given 29, which is wrong. Okay. So, now you must have understood this is for ungrouped data where you have to just see it in ascending order and you will know what is the mod. And here by seeing the frequency, this is frequency 5 workers, how many? So which is the greatest value that you have to see, and related to the greatest value whatever is the observation, that observation is called as the mod. So here 51 is the highest value, so related to it what is the observation, that observation is called as the mod. So now see here that what just now we discussed, that was for ungrouped data where you have been given individual scores are given to you. Now see from your 10th standard textbook, mod for grouped frequency distribution. Now they have started off with this only, just now what I read. We know that the score repeating maximum number of times in a data is called the mod of the data. Now they have given one very simple example. A company manufactures bicycle of different colors. To know which color is most wanted, the company needs to know the mod. If a company manufactures many items, it may want to know which item sells most. In such cases, the mod is needed. So very simple example is given to you of a mod. It is like this. If you are wearing the t-shirt of say red color many a times, like you are having red t-shirt, say 10 red t-shirts you are having, so I know that is your taste. So mod means how many t-shirts of the same color you are having, red color you are having, so that is the mod for you, right? So it's like your choice, what you like, that thing you are going to wear that many number of times. And mod many examples in our day-to-day life we can give. It's like how many times you are washing your face in 24 hours, the time when you wake up, right? Some of them say only 4 times, some of them 3 times, some of them 2 times. So if it does the highest score in that, if I want to check, like for example 5 students I am asking, so the which student is washing his face many a times, that is actually the mode. That simple it is. Another simple example we can take, in a hotel, if you see, if most of the people they give order for vada pav, samosa, idli sambar. So what is the criteria here? The criteria is people who are giving the order same food item, many people are giving, that particular manager of the hotel, what he will do? He will make arrangement for that particular food item. So many a time, same type of customers in that particular area they come and they are giving order of the same food item. Right now, if you see in many places, hawkers, what they do, they are selling vada pav. So people know that vada pav, many people like it. So that vada pav is actually the mod, and number of persons who are liking it, that number, that score is actually called as the frequency. And the frequency of that particular food item is maximum. So that food item becomes the mod, and that highest score, highest number is called as the frequency, and the one which is highest, that particular food item will become a mod. Okay.